Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the Shark NeverChange Compact Pro Air Purifier, model HP071BRN, designed for bedrooms, nurseries, home offices, dorms, and smaller living spaces with a HEPA-Exceeding filter that captures allergens, smoke, odors, and microscopic pollutants. Taking a short pause, let us get started. First, the standout feature is the NeverChange filtration system. Unlike traditional purifiers that need filter replacements every few months, Shark engineered this model to last years, dramatically reducing maintenance and long-term cost. 2. The filtration is HEPA-Exceeding, meaning it captures particles even smaller than standard HEPA requirements including pollen, dust, pet dander, and smoke. 3. It's built for compact rooms, ideal for spaces like bedrooms, nurseries, small apartments, and home offices where clean, quiet airflow is essential. 4. The airflow design creates a directed air path that circulates purified air across the room efficiently while keeping noise levels extremely low, perfect for sleeping areas. 5. A smart air quality indicator shows real-time purification status, shifting colors to reflect current air conditions, so you instantly know the air quality in your room. 6. One really convenient thing: this purifier has auto mode. It senses the air and automatically adjusts fan speed based on pollutant levels, saving energy and maintaining consistent clean air. 7. The build quality is solid with a premium matte finish in winter fog, clean, modern, and minimal. It blends naturally with home decor. 8. Shark designed this unit with a total clean lock system, ensuring pollutants are trapped inside and not released back into the room during operation. 9. It's incredibly easy to use: simple controls, intuitive indicators, and no complicated maintenance schedules. Another brief pause, and wrapping it up. If you want a quiet, powerful purifier with a long-lasting filter and premium HEPA and performance, the Shark NeverChange Compact Pro is one of the best compact purifiers available right now.